Hi Commandos, I am Ujjwal Sahai. A very good morning to all of you. In previous classes, we have studied about the autotrophic nutrition, different raw materials which are needed for the photosynthesis, as well as the heterotrophic nutrition and some modes of heterotrophic nutrition. Today we will discuss about the holozoic nutrition, that is a type of heterotrophic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which an organism intakes the complex solid or liquid food materials inside the body to get energy after digestion and removes the undigested food from the body. Okay? Holozoic nutrition is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition in which an organism intakes the complex solid or liquid food materials inside the body to get energy after digestion and removes the undigested food from the body. This is called holozoic nutrition. For example, the human beings, the amoeba, paramecium, cow, buffalo, different kind of animals, maybe unicellular, maybe multicellular, different kind of animals are the examples for holozoic nutrition. Okay. Then, in the definition of holozoic nutrition, there are 5 steps. First of all, we have to intake the food materials. Intake the food materials means the solid or liquid food materials are taken inside the body. That process is called ingestion. So we can define as ingestion is a process to take the food inside the body in solid or liquid form. Second step is digestion. After intaking the food materials inside the body, the decomposition or splitting or breaking down of food material is started with the help of different kind of enzymes of the body. So to break down the food, to break down the complex food materials into simpler or soluble materials with the help of digestive enzymes are called digestion. After ingestion, digestion is taken place. Third step is absorption. Distribution of soluble food materials into different parts of the body is called absorption. After absorption, the fourth step is assimilation. Assimilation is a process by which an organism uses the food materials into different functions of the body. That is called assimilation. And last and fifth step is egestion. Egestion means removal of undigested food from the body. So there are 5 steps. First ingestion, second digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, and last one, fifth, egestion. First ingestion and last egestion. Okay, ingestion is started by in. So you can remember that ingestion means intaking the food materials inside the body, or egestion, that is the last step of the holozoic nutrition. E means expel, excrete. So you can remember that egestion means removal of waste materials expelled the waste or undigested food material from the body. Okay, these are the steps of the hologenetic nutrition. Now you have to focus on a diagram, that is the hologenetic nutrition in the amoeba. Amoeba, as you know, that the amoeba is a unicellular organism, and it can change the shape, okay, and it can form the pseudopodia, that is finger like projections, temporarily finger like projections, and with the help of pseudopodia the amoeba can catch the prey or food particles or food materials. So in the case of amoeba, first of all the pseudopodia is formed, and pseudopodia catches the food particles from the water. After catching the prey or food materials by the pseudopodia, the amoeba engulfs the food into the body through the process of ingestion. After ingestion, the food is kept in the food vacuoles, and within the food vacuoles the food starts to be broken down with the help of different kind of digestive enzymes which are secreted by the cytoplasm of the amoeba. So within the food vacuole the food is broken down or digested. This process is called digestion. After digestion, the simpler or soluble food materials are absorbed by different parts of the amoeba, different parts of the body. That is called absorption. After absorption, that simpler or soluble food particles are utilized, are used up in different functions of the body. That is called assimilation. But remain some food materials are undigested. So undigested food materials can be harmful for the body, so there is a need to remove these materials from the body. So amoeba removes finally the undigested food from the body. That is called egestion. This is the process of hologenetic nutrition in the amoeba. You have to focus on the diagram A, B, C, D and E, F. Okay, here in the figure, in the diagram, C represents the ingestion, D represents the digestion, E represents the absorption and assimilation, F represents the egestion. So if you are focusing on the diagram, then you can clearly differentiate among these diagrams, among these steps, that is started from ingestion and that is completed on egestion. Okay, thanks, all the best.